If you're having functions with your Vivo phone's infrared functionality, it might be due to obstructions like grease or an opaque film blocking the infrared rays. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to clean and remove any obstructions to ensure your infrared sensor works perfectly. First, let's locate the infrared sensor on your Vivo phone. It's usually found on the top edge of the phone or near the front-facing camera. Take a close look at the area around the infrared sensor. Look for any grease, smudges, or an opaque film that might be blocking the sensor. Before cleaning, make sure to power off your phone to avoid any accidental inputs or damage. You need a few simple items to clean the infrared sensor area: a soft, lint-free cloth, isopropyl alcohol, and cotton swabs. Dampen a corner of the soft cloth with a small amount of isopropyl alcohol. Gently wipe the infrared sensor area in a circular motion. Be careful not to let any liquid seep into the phone. If there's stubborn green, you can use a cotton swab lightly dipped in isopropyl alcohol to reach into corners or small crevices. Ensure you're wiping gently to avoid any damage. After cleaning, use the dry part of the cloth to wipe off any remaining moisture and ensure the area is dry. If your phone has a screen protector or case, make sure it's not obstructing the infrared sensor. Remove the screen protector or case and clean them separately if needed. After cleaning, if you have a screen protector or case, make sure it's reattached properly without any bubbles or misalignment that could obstruct the sensor. Power your phone back on and test the infrared functionality. For example, if you're using an app that relies on the infrared sensor, check if it's working properly. And that's it. By following this step, you should have resolved any issues related to obstructions like grease or an opaque film blocking your Vivo phone's infrared sensor. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below and we'll help you out.